Okay, today we have lesson 7. We have lesson 7 in unit 6. Lesson 7. Open your book, please, on page 98. So open your book on page 98. What can we see on page 98? We have here a lot of things here, a lot of things. So we have there was and there were. Can you see them? Can you tell me what you can see? Apples. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3. What else? What else? Cheese. Cheese. What about this one? Orange. How many orange do you have? Can you see here? 1 orange, an orange. What about this one? Sandwich. How many? 1. So there is a sandwich. There is a sandwich. There is a sandwich. Okay, cover the pictures and read these words. So now we are going to read what? We are going to read the words in the box. What we have in the box? Juice, juice, sandwich, sandwich, apples, apples, pizza, pizza, water, water, eggs, eggs, bread, bread, grapes, grapes, orange, orange, tomatoes, tomatoes, cheese, cheese, cakes, cakes. Okay, let's start now. We are going to read these things. Can we start with the first one? What is it? Okay, apples, apples. How many apples are there? There are 3 apples. There are 3 apples. Excellent. Who can answer this one? What is it? Bread. Bread. Excellent. It's bread. Can you answer it? Yes, Mohammed? Cheese. Cheese. Excellent. Cheese. Oh, I like this one. What is it? Can you tell me what is it? What are they? We have here 6 cakes. So what are they? They are 6 cakes. So there are cakes. Cakes. Eggs. Excellent. Eggs. Grapes. Grapes. Oranges. Orange. Orange. How many orange do we have? 1. So there is an orange. There is an orange. Let us see another thing. Okay, it's a bottle of juice. It is a juice. It is orange juice. It is orange juice. Now, another thing. Oh, what's this? Pizza. It is pizza. Can you tell me about this one? It's a sandwich. A sandwich. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. The last one, it's a bottle. Bottle of what? Water. Water. So we have here different things. We can see in front of you different things. What are they? Apples. Apples. Oh, we know all of them, yes? Do you still remember them? So we have apples. What we have else? Bread. What else? Orange. Good. Can I just put the point and you told me what is it? Which one now? Which one? What's this? Cheese. Good. Ready? Girls. Only girls now. Eggs. Excellent. Okay, Sarah, can you answer this one? Pizza. Good. What about you, Rujain? Bottle of water. So we have here different things. There are here 3 apples. There is an orange. There are 3 apples. There is 1 orange. Now again, the same pictures. What you can see here? We can see a lot of things. Now, I'm going to ask you and tell me what can you see? Apples. There are 3 apples. Orange. There is 1 orange. Pizza. There's a pizza. There is a sandwich. There is bread. Okay, what we have in number 3? We have read the rules. So, game rule, because we are going to play a game. Do not look at the pictures. Do not look at the pictures. Make sentences. Use there was or there were. 1 point for each sentence. Count your points. So here, can you see here? There was and there were. There was and there were. Ready? Okay. Okay, ready? So now we are going to write a sentence. Start with there was. I have a question. Do you still remember the things which we have only one? So we have 1 orange. Excellent. So the sentence is there was 1 orange or there was an orange. There was an orange. Good. Now another one. What we have? Sandwich. Good. So how can we write a sentence? How can we write a sentence? There was a sandwich. There was a sandwich. So, there was, we use it with what? How many here? 1 and 1. So, what we write? There was. So, there was, we use it with 1. If we have 1 apple, there was an apple. If there is 1 orange, there was an orange. If there is 1 sandwich, there was a sandwich. Okay. Now we are going to write a sentence with there were. There were. Okay, more than 1. Do you still remember apples? How many apples are there? How many apples were there? 3. 3 apples. So the sentence there was or there were? There were. Why there were? Because we have 3 apples. Because we have 3 apples. So with the 3 apples, we use there were. If we have only 1 apple, there was. لو كانت واحدة نقول there was. But we have 3, so there were. There were what? There were 3 apples. So from the picture من الصورة عشان قاعدين تفكروا تاني. There were 3 apples. There were 3 apples. What else? شن تاني? Cakes. How many cakes? Can you answer it, Rahaf? How many cakes? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. So now, what we write? Can you tell me? Can you try? There were 6 cakes. Excellent. There were 6 cakes. There were 6 cakes. Why there were? Because we have more than 1. And it's not now in the past. In the picture. We speak about the picture. لأن احنا شفناهم في الصورة. Okay. What else? What's this? Eggs. How many eggs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we are going to write? There were 6 eggs. There were 6 eggs. Okay, the last one. Can you try by yourself? تحلوها بروحكم. Try. Yes. Who can? Yes. Okay, a lot of hands. Good. Who can answer it? There were, excellent, there were 3 tomatoes. Why were there were? Because 2, 3, 4, 5, we write there were. If we have only one, there was. But 2, 3, like we have here 3, 6, 3, 6, 2. So we write there were. There were. There were 6 cakes. There were 3 apples. There were 6 eggs. There were 3 tomatoes. So today we speak about there was and there were. Who can tell me there was what? Yes, you. A sandwich. Excellent. There was a sandwich. What else? There was an apple. An apple? No, an orange. What about there were? Can you tell me about there were? There were 3 apples. There were 6 cakes. Now, our activity book. So open your activity book on page 84. Open your activity book on page 84. What we have on page 84? What we have on page 84? Find the words. Find the words. So we are going to find the words. Which these words? They are verbs. Can you see the verb here? Talk. Stayed. Stayed, it is the past of stay. Stay, stayed. Stay, stayed. Nadia stayed with uncle, aunt, and cousin. Stayed, stayed. It is the past of stay. And it is regular or irregular? Regular. Excellent. Because it ends with ed. We have swim. Swim. Swim in the sea. Swim. يسبح. Swim. Ate. 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 It is the past of eat. Played. Played. Regular verb. The past of play ends with ed. Bought. Bought. The past of buy. Went. Went, the past of go. Said, said, the past of say. Can you tell me about so? Yes, who can answer so? It is the past of see. What about washed? It is the past of wash. What's the meaning of it? شو معناها؟ يغسل. Excellent. Is it regular or irregular verb? Who can answer me? Regular or irregular? Regular. What's regular verb? Excellent. We added ed to the verb. When we add ed to the verb, so it is what? It is regular verb. Here we have had. Here we have had. So now we are going to find these words in this word search. We call this one word search. بحث عن الكلمات. Word search. Ready? So take a time and try to answer it. Okay, good. Can we start now with the first one? Talk. Talk. It's from this side. Talk. Talk. What's the second one? Stayed. Where's the stayed here? Okay. Can you see here? We have washed, washed, and we have said, said, we have bought, bought, we have did, and we have went, went, and we have here did. What about played, played, so, had, ate, ate. So all the verb, we find them here. Okay, the last one, washed, washed. So we have here different verbs. We find these verbs here. We can start them again. So we have talk, talk. The second one, stayed. It is here. Stayed, stayed. Where's the swim? Swim, swim. Where's ate? Ate, ate. Where's played? Excellent. This is played. Played. What about boat? Boat, boat. Went, went, went. Okay. Did, did, did. Said. Okay, I find said before. Said. So. Where is so? Okay. So. Washed. Excellent. The last one, had. Can you try by yourself? I told you before, where's had? Excellent. It is here. Had. Excellent. So we find all the words, all the verb in the past, and we put it here. So Lena's day. Lena's day. Number 2, read, count, and number. How many things did Lena do? First, I took a bus. I took a bus. I took a bus. I stayed with my grandma. I stayed with my grandma. I stayed with my grandma. I swim in the sea. I swim in the sea. I swim in the sea. I ate fish. I ate fish. I played football. I played football. I played football. I bought an ice cream. I bought an ice cream. I went to the park. I went to the park. I did my homework. I did my homework. I said hello to my friends. I saw a fun park. I washed my hands. I had my lunch. I was tired. I went to bed. So how many sentences are there? 1, 2, 3. This is count and number. Count and write the number. So 1. Can you count with me? Quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So how many sentences? 14. The last thing today, it's number 4. What's the weather like in Libya? Read and write. What's the weather like in Libya? Read and write. Hot and sunny. Hot and sunny. Mild. Mild. Cold and rainy. Cold and rainy. So here in Libya, we are speaking about Libya. But Libya in different months. We know we have 12 months. We start from January and we finish with December. So January, March, and August. So in Libya, in January, it is hot or cold? Hot? Hot like this one? Or it is cold and rainy? Which one? Cold. It is cold and rainy. Can you see the rain here? Rain here. It is cold and rainy. Excellent. In Libya in March, it is mild. Mild. معتدل. It's okay, mild. In Libya in August, it is August. Like this one. Hot, not cold, hot and sunny. hot and sunny. ساخن ومشمس. So in Libya in January, it is cold and rainy. Look at this boy. He feels cold. So it's cold here and rainy. This is when in Libya in January. What about March? Mild, sorry, it's mild. What about August? It is hot. Oh, it's very hot and sunny. Look at the sun here. She's smiling here, smile. So sun smiles. Why? Because it's sunny. So it is hot and sunny. So we finished today, and we have here there was and there were. There was, we use it with one thing. There were, we used with three, two, four, etc. More than one. More than one. So see you in next lesson, and goodbye now.